I think the biggest thing is obviously the follow up and then going back to past experiences. I mean, as you know, like the industry, people jump from sponsor to sponsor or CRO to CRO, and kind of going through that Rolodex of past experiences and just kind of getting in front of those people to be like, okay, here I am again. Here's what I've done with you in the past. You know, is there any way that you can kind of put me in touch with the right people at the sponsor or the CRO? And normally, because this is a relationship business, 100% relationship from years ago to now. Um, and so fostering relationships from the beginning, and then being very collaborative, helping other sites or other physicians or even the sponsor. In some cases, they might need, help, talking to a physician here or there that maybe they want to get into the network. So being super collaborative on both sides of the aisle is helpful when fostering relationships with small biotechs and even big sponsors.
It's
So.
got to be daunting, right? Being a new site. I mean, you had some experience, but saying, I need to reach out to the sponsor and or CRO. I mean, are people reluctant in that respect?
Yeah, yeah. I think it's probably the hardest part. So
Like, where do you start?
everybody always asks me what's the hardest part of doing this, and I'm like, it's getting in the trials, getting the trials. A lot of times, smaller sites will like partner with like business development organizations that maybe being a part of like a network,
Sure.
or like a broker in that case. I mean, obviously that is where probably a lot of people would start, but from there you have to foster the relationships once you get in. And a lot of times, like for us, if we get in with one physician at one site, we work and do the best that we can on that trial, and then at some point, be like, okay, here's my track record here, give this doctor at this site, a chance, which takes time, and that's just how it is. You just have to. It's just going to take time. So.